The pandemic has changed the world forever and changed the way we do business. So as a business owner, you need to ensure your marketing not only reflects how your market has changed, but it's working hard to bring new customers to your business and make sure you don't merely survive, but you come out stronger. There's a way to transform your marketing and you don't even need to leave the house to achieve it. One Day Marketing Machine is an online workshop with videos, tasks and workbooks that allow business owners like you to hit the ground running. It'll give you a clear and precise plan to act upon, measure and take control of your marketing. It'll also allow you to make those important decisions and start moving your business forwards. Don't wait until we reach a new normal, no one knows how long that'll be, and your market's waiting for your help now. The businesses that get their strategy sorted now will be the ones that really thrive once life returns to normal. Click the link below or go to rosconkey.com/onedaymm to watch the first video in the workshop free and get started creating a strategy for growth today.